Hey everyone, it's Lala from Lala's World Tutorials. Today I have something really special for you. I've got a big announcement, and make sure you stick around until the very end because I'll be showing a little surprise. Here's something exciting. I'm now a licensed real estate agent here in Georgia. I help people buy, sell, and rent homes, and I'm thrilled to share this new chapter with you. Don't worry, I'll still be bringing tutorials here on Lala's World Tutorials. On my new channel, I'll be sharing content related to real estate in Georgia, especially for anyone looking to buy, sell, or rent. You can find the link in the description and pinned comment. If you click it, you can subscribe directly to support me on my new journey. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see on my new channel and what tutorials you still want me to keep making on here. Your feedback means so much to me. Hey everyone, it's me, Lala. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to both channels. I cannot wait to share more with you guys. See you soon. Bye.